Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. All right, this is kingsfx right here. So in this video I'm going to be answering few questions. Okay, so previous video I actually announced the launching of my course, okay, which is in this website right now. So a lot of people were asking me question like how do I register for the courses, okay, or how do I access the free ones, the free courses? How do I make payment? What is the payment method? What about your mentorship program, signals, and all that? A lot of questions, okay? So I want to use this video to give you the rundown, the structure, how this course is structured, what you are going to be seeing in this website, okay, and how to navigate through. All right, so I actually want to make everything transparent so that you will know what you are paying if you want to pay for the course. If you want to take for the free ones, good and fine. Someone kind of was asking me in my DM, what is the duration, like how many minutes or anything like that. You know, you need to know what is the course content. All right, so I'm going to break down everything in this video. So if you want to actually make use of this website or check out the courses, the free ones, the paid ones, I'm going to be showing you everything here in this video. Okay, so you need to see what you are paying for. You need to know what you are paying for. Okay, so now this is my website, okay, at kingsfx.com. So all you need to do is just go to your search button or search engine, uh Google, type in kingsfxtraders.com. That's all. Once you type kingsfxtraders.com, you are going to see yourself here. Okay, so first, if you have not registered, just click on register. Okay, so now that you are here, all you have to do is to put in your name, email address, okay, your password, and you confirm your password. Then put in your referral code. It's optional if anybody referred you to the website. Okay, so after that, you click accept terms and conditions. Before then, you can go down here and read up the terms and conditions. After that, you then click accept and sign up. So once you sign up, you are going to be you need to, enter your email again to log in. Okay, after signing up, you log in. So now you'll be asked to log in. So you just put in your email, then your password, and click on login. Okay, so once you log in, you are going to see yourself here. Okay, so if you have paid for any course, you are going to see it here, like this one. If you have paid for any course, you are going to see the course here. If you made any subscription, if you subscribe, you are going to see. If you referred anybody, you are going to see it here. Okay, so for this wallet, okay, this wallet is not yet activated. Okay, I actually wanted to reward people who introduce anybody to the website, maybe to take the courses or anything at all, but I think for now it's not necessary, so just forget about that. So this is it. So for you to navigate to the course, you can click two ways. You can click on this icon. Okay, once you click on this icon, you are going to see courses, signals, mentorship, anyone you want to take. Okay, so either you go through your dashboard or you go to the home page. Okay, so here you are logged in already. So your home page, you have the first thing, mentorship program. If you want to have a personal mentorship program with me, okay, you can click on join. Okay, once you click on join, I have actually two mentorship program running. So the first one is the 1 month mentorship program. I explained everything about it here. So if you join just 1 month mentorship program, join my trading community with personal mentorship and free signals for 1 month. Be part of kingsfx trading community. Okay, that's the explanation. You can see the price. So if you want to join, you just click on join right here. Okay, so the second one is 1 year mentorship program. So access to my full synthetic indices course. So if you pay for this 1 month mentorship program, you have already paid for the course. So if you pay for 1 year mentorship program, you will have full access to the course. All the courses, you are going to have full access to the courses. Okay, the whole strategy, you are going to also have the full access to them. Okay, then my personal mentorship program, free signals for 1 year. Okay, and you also be part of kingsfx trading community. Okay, that's for my mentorship program. So if you want to join, just click on join. You'll be required to make payment, okay, for the mentorship program because it's not free. So you can pay with your card by selecting card, okay, option, or if you want to pay through crypto, you select crypto option. Okay, so if you select card, then you'll be taken to where you are going to be paying using your card. Okay, if you use crypto, you will be take you to where you are going to select either the crypto you want to use, USDT, or you want to use BTC. So anyone you are using, you click on continue. Okay, so once you click on continue, you are going to be taken to this point where you are going to copy the wallet address. Okay, once you copy the wallet address, you make payments, come back here, click on this. Remember that once you make payments using crypto, okay, so if you make payment using crypto, it's going to be manually kind of verified. So you just need to send or take a screenshot of the payment. Okay, then come here and click on request payment confirmation. So once you request, you upload whatever image you screenshotted. Okay, so once you upload it, automatically I'm going to confirm the payment and I will give you access to the course. Okay, so this one is actually stressful paying through crypto. These are for people who actually need crypto payment. Okay, if you don't want to pay through crypto, you can pay with your card and it's automatic. Once you pay with your card, I don't even need to know about the payments. You already, you have access. Okay, but if you are using crypto, I need to confirm it. Okay, and it's not taking up to 1 hour. Okay, it's not going to take up to 1 hour and it's confirmed. So it's not like it's going to take 1 day or 2 days for confirmation. Once you pay, it's not going to take up to 1 hour and it's going to be confirmed. Okay, so for Signal is going to be free Signal. If I click on subscribe, it's just free. Okay, through Telegram, you are going to join my Telegram community for free Signal. For now, the signals I'll be dropping is free, so that's for Signal. The next thing is the master class. Okay, this is the master class. So if you want to enroll for the master class, you click on master class. Okay, so these are the courses I have. Free 3 free courses right here. Okay, you can see the first one, I have like 8 videos there. So if you click on any of them, you can start watching the videos immediately, like right now. So if I click on watch, so you can see from here the videos. The first one have a kind of the whole videos they are here. Okay, you have the first one, statistic indices, second one, understanding pips, lot size, the third one, concept of TP and SL, then how boom and crash works, valid and invalid lot sizes, then trading view setup. So that's for the first free video that we have here. Okay, so if you go back, you see the next video. Okay, another free content, about 4 videos right here, the intermediate section, where you are going to be having this market structure, the first video, second video, trend line, then psychology behind the price movement, support and resistance. Okay, how to validate support and resistance. Okay, this is one. Okay, I have about 1, 2, 3, 4 ways to validate support and resistance. You already know that not all the support and resistance will always work, okay, or hold the price. So you need to know the ones that will work and the ones that are likely going to be broken. So, and I have everything. So some of them I've given you this free, about 3 of them are locked, okay, for the paid version of this course. So if with this you can start trading. You don't need to get all the informations. Okay, that's why some informations are locked for people who actually want it. Okay, so now this is it for free. So look at another one where you have risk management. Inside here I have like 2 free strategies here. Okay, I have like 2 free strategies, pattern 1, pattern 2, pattern 3. All these things are strategies. Okay, simple break and retest strategies. All these things are free. You can start watching it immediately, like don't have to pay anything. Okay, so this live charts breakdown, okay, I also have set up right here. Okay, so that's for the free section. Okay, I have 3 free courses here. Remember, each of them have a lot of videos inside. Okay, so now after that we have the paid version. Of you can see this one is paid, and when the time I opened my dashboard, you discover that I paid for 1 video. Okay, so this one is $100. Okay, for the main time I said it's just for the because I just launched the course, I'm giving 50% discount. It's going back to the normal price in a month time. Okay, so you can see this one I've paid for it. If you check here, we have about 58 videos here. Okay, so kingsfx is not doing there's no way I will take my time to create anything that is not of standard. Okay, so I have about 58 videos here. Okay, this is the full course. Okay, so this is the full synthetic indices course with strategies inside. Okay, so if I click on this, we have a lot of videos right here. Okay, a lot of videos, guys, a lot of videos that will change your life. Okay, coming down here, you have the strategy I have here is not less than 5 different strategies working, tested. Okay, these are, mind-blowing, guys. So I don't need to keep, I don't need to even shout about this course. I just wanted to, why I'm doing this is because people were thinking maybe they don't want to pay for anything. Maybe they had bad experience about courses before, so they don't want to pay, and they are seeing just 2 courses or 10 courses or just 1 hour course. This is 10 hours plus. Okay, 10 hours for you to take this course. It's not like you might ended up spending just 5 hours, because some of them from here, they are beginner. There's a beginner aspect of trading. Okay, so if you have been trading, you might know all this, like the beginner aspect. Okay, you then come down to advanced level or advanced concepts. You can start anywhere. Okay, basically once you pay for it, you have access to everything, so you can start from anywhere you want. Okay, this is the full course. Okay, so if you are already good, okay, you are just looking for strategies only. Okay, if you are just looking for only strategies, that's when you come to the second one, which is the strategy section. Is $69. Okay, the first one is the full course with the strategies. Okay, starting from beginners to intermediate aspects to advanced to strategies. All of them are encrypted here. Okay, all of them are there at the first course. Okay, the second one, which is $69, is just strategies alone, just giving you some clue about how the setup look like. Then you dive into the strategies, learn how to use them, and you start making. So anyone you want, I wanted to make it in a way, or to structure the course in a way that you won't, if you already know about the beginner aspect of trading and intermediate aspect of trading, you can actually dive into strategies, just take them and start trading. But if you are a complete beginner, or you are just new, okay, you just watch some videos about maybe support and resistance and all that, then you go and pay for the full course and take all of them. But if you have been trading but you are struggling with losses, then you can just pay for the strategies alone and take them and start making money. Okay, so that's that for the course. Okay, a lot of videos there in the strategy section. So I think that's all you need to know now. Okay, that's all you need to know now about this website. I don't want to make this video long. The only reason why I'm doing this is because I'm so I'm so mindful of whatever I'm putting out there, and also this brand kingsfx. Okay, because the questions I'm getting, people were like, oh, I've paid for different courses, no results and all that. Yeah, you might have paid for different courses, there is no you are not getting the results, or what's maybe the outcome of your payment. You're not actually seeing any results from the payment you made. Okay, so but I think this one might be different. Okay, I'm not actually giving you 100% that what you need is what you will see here. Okay, but this is what made me who I am, and this is what actually something I've take out time to put it together in order to help a lot of people out there. Okay, so if you wish, or you feel like you want to go further into trading, you want to leave that stage you are to another level, then try out these courses. Okay, start from the free ones, go into the paid ones, then take them, and come back to my here in my channel and make review about the course. If you had bad experience, drop it in this channel. Let other people see your experience. If you take the course and it's so helpful, also drop the review here, so that other people will also see or experience, or at least have a taste of what you have a kind of enjoyed in the course. Okay, so I think that is that for this video. So if you want to contact me, you can go to the contact section. If you're having any issue, maybe payments or taking the courses or anything at all, you can just click on this icon right here. Okay, once you click on the icon, you go to contact. Okay, so this is contact right here. So if you go to contact, you are going to see the emails you are going to send message to. So just send message to these emails. Okay, so send message to these emails. So support at kingsfx, that's just the email you need to send message to. Support at kingsfxtraders.com. Okay, once you send email, I'm going to get it and I will respond to your email. So if you want to chat me on WhatsApp, just use this. So it's advisable not to call me. Okay, it's advisable not to call me. I know why I'm saying that, so that you won't complain that you have been calling and I'm not picking. So it's advisable not to call me. Just chat me up on WhatsApp. I will definitely respond to your message. Okay, so that's that for the website review and navigation. Okay, how to navigate through this website. So if you have any other question about this website or how to do anything in this website, you can actually leave a comment in the comment section, and I will still either create a video to explain that or help you with that. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this is going to be helpful if you actually need to take this course or you want to check out the website. Okay, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys.